Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Coinbase app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the option of sign up. Simply tap on it. Then here you can find the option of create your account. Simply add your email, just like this. After that, tap on to continue. Now the email will get a code. Now go to your email and simply you can find the code that you have just got. Now add the code right here and simply tap on to done. After that, create a strong password given by the options below. Now create a strong password just like this and then tap on to continue. After that, you can see you can add your additional informations, and after that you can simply sign up to the Coinbase app. And that's it. This is how you can sign up in the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.